Welcome to all. Today, I would like to share the importance of SR testing value and the machine runnability and the relationship between paper strength. First, we should define, we should know about what is degree SR. There are two types of tests is available. One is software regular, that is called SR. Another one is Canadian standard freeness. Both tests are have a different testing equipments, but the fundamental principle is same. Once the bulb is passed through the refiner, the surface of fiber gets fibrillated, gets modified as fibrillator. These fibrils increase the bonding between the fiber to fiber contact like this while passing through the headbox on the wire. More fibrillation increases the bondage between the fiber to fiber contact and increases the strength. So the SR or CSF indicates the swelling character, water absorbency capacity of fiber. We can normally say softwood fiber, hardwood fiber, and recycled fiber. But we should keep in mind, based on the machine configuration, wire type, machine type, speed, furnace ratio, ash content, and recycled fiber, that is called couch broke and press broke or other external brokes. These are the factors directly affecting the machine runnability and strength. SR is a indicative only. If you can see the top is standard, it directly indicates you can come across. The degree SR tester is meant for mechanical pulp, but nowadays we are using in chemical pulp, but we are accepted that one. The water absorbency capacity is measured by CSF or SR. If you are telling CSF, you can tell the number 400 ml, 360 ml like that. SR means is a very number 30 to 40 SR like that. But normally the required SR is 35 to 40. This is the optimum range for hardwood. If it is a recycled fiber, if you are making a recycled tubeless paper fold from the recycled fiber, the optimum SR, if it is a mold, 40 to 45 is optimum. If you are using bagas along with the hardwood pulp, the degree SR may vary 35 to 40. Then softwood, it may varies from 25 to 40 according to our machine configuration, GSM speed, all the things. And also press is very, very important. First, the SR directly indicates the water absorbency of fibers, but it is not directly correlated with the paper machine runnability. The paper machine runnability may affected by the ash content, fines content, retention variation, then other any wet strength resins, DSR, like that additives variation, any poor maintenance of press wells, dryer surface area and counter like that. So the SR, the single parameter, cannot help to measure the runnability of paper machine and performance of paper machine, and it directly relates to some extent to strength properties. If the SR is increases to some extent, 35 to 45 degree SR, tensile strength, breaking, all the strength properties are increasing. But beyond that limit, it directly affects the tear and BF. More fines, it directly affects BF, busting strength and tear factor. So we should optimize the degree SR or CSF according to our furnace. If you are using craft recycled paper for corrugated paper, craft paper making, the CSR may it starts from 30. So it is enough for your drainage, it is enough for your paper machine properties. You can maintain the degree SR to reduce the refiner power consumption. There is no common rule for hardwood pulp SR, softwood pulp SR like this, and recycled fiber like this. There is no common norms. So based on your machine configuration, based on your wet and additives, based on your cleaning characteristics, felt and wire characteristics, you can fix the CSF or SR value according to your practical difficulties. But SR is an important parameter to measure the performance of refiner. So the inlet and outlet degree SR should be increased 2 to 5, maximum 5 we can get it. For that, the consistency we have to maintain for inlet. So we should measure the degree SR or CSF to know the performance of refiner and to know the characteristics of the water absorbency character of pulp. But it should not directly correlated with the paper machine runnability and performance, but it should be correlated with strength to maximum extent. Over refining totally collapse the entire process runnability and strength. So we should have maintain optimum, that is called 35 to 40. It is scale for your process. It is a normal practice. It is not a common practice. So based on my experience, I am sharing that thought. So keep watching and share. Thank you. We will meet soon.